Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying basics. Check iOS version and free storage because updates and low space can affect sensors. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and clean the home button gently with a lint-free cloth. Dirt blocks capacitive sensing. Restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, then go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, and try adding a fingerprint. If setup fails immediately, make sure your finger is dry and covers the round sensor fully. You now run deeper diagnostics and software fixes. First, delete existing fingerprints and re-add one, slowly lifting and repositioning the finger to capture edges and center. This improves sensor maps. Next, update iOS to the latest compatible build because patches can restore Touch ID functionality. If the update fails, back up and restore via iTunes. Watch error messages. If Touch ID shows specific errors or remains unavailable, that points to either a software corruption or hardware fault needing further action. Finish with hardware verification and decisive next steps. If you're skilled, power down, open the iPhone, and inspect the home button flex cable and connectors for dislodging or corrosion. Receipt connectors and check screws. Grounding helps avoid static damage. Replace the assembly only with trusted parts, noting that Touch ID secure enclave ties to original hardware, so replacement may disable fingerprint unlocking. If you lack confidence, make a final backup and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.